The answer is simply yes. Avocados are safe to consume. Unless your doctor recommends you different. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to pregnancy and motherhood. We upload daily new video related to your common health and food related questions, and if you're new on our channel then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Without further delay, let's check out can you eat avocado during pregnancy and its benefits. Avocados are considered superfoods for pregnant women. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and vital vitamins and minerals like folate, high in dietary fiber and potassium. Each of these components is essential to the growth and development of a fetus. Due to its potential to reduce the risks of birth abnormalities, folate is extremely vital during the early stages of pregnancy. Let's check out benefits of eating avocado during pregnancy. First, rich in powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that are essential for protecting against cellular damage. The antioxidant carotenoid lutein, which is a source for the fetus's eye and brain development, is particularly abundant in avocados. Additionally present in breast milk, these antioxidants amounts are strongly correlated with the mother's diet. Therefore, you can also increase the carotenoid content of your breast milk, a crucial element for a baby's growth and development, by eating more avocados after giving birth and during the breastfeeding stage. Second, boost fetal brain development. Avocados provide choline, a crucial ingredient needed for a baby's brain and overall growth. Pregnant women must consume enough choline to support the growth of their unborn baby's brain and nervous system. Although avocados can help you achieve your daily choline requirements, it's still vital to eat foods richer in choline, such as egg yolks, meat, and fish, to make sure you get enough choline every day. Third, relieves leg cramps. It might surprise you to know that avocados have a higher potassium content than bananas. During pregnancy, cramping is frequent. Potassium and calcium might help ease it. Particularly common are leg cramps, and avocados provide much needed relief from this uncomfortable, frequently painful aching. Fourth, improved digestion. Stomach illnesses and constipation are the most frequent problems that virtually every pregnant woman experiences. This will actually be helped by avocados' high fiber and magnesium content, which promotes easy digestion and regular bowel movements. Fifth, treat anemia. If ignored, vitamin and mineral deficiencies in the early stages of pregnancy can result in anemia. A deficiency in iron, folate, or vitamin B12 is frequently the root cause of anemia in pregnant women. This may lead to difficulties throughout the entire pregnancy. The quantity of iron found in avocados is sufficient to keep pregnant women's iron levels in a healthy range. Check out our previous video Iron during pregnancy to learn more about why iron is important, link in description box below. 6. Healthy fat. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered to be good fats. The fats in avocados may help regulate blood sugar levels, and make you feel full between meals. Additionally, a higher intake of fruits like avocados that are high in monounsaturated fats during pregnancy may help to enhance sleep quality and reduce pregnancy insomnia. 7. Combats morning sickness. During the first trimester of pregnancy, morning sickness can be extremely exhausting. Avocados are a great source of vitamin C and vitamin B6, which can help with morning sickness symptoms and improve your body's ability to absorb vitamins from fruits and vegetables. 8. Maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Magnesium and potassium, two minerals that are particularly important for maintaining proper blood pressure regulation, are abundant in avocados. Consuming a lot of potassium-rich foods during pregnancy, such as avocados, can help lower the chance of developing gestational hypertension. 9th. Help maintain lipids and stable blood sugar levels. To ensure a healthy and safe pregnancy, pregnant women must keep their blood sugar and fat levels stable. Avocados can help pregnant women manage their blood sugar levels and reduce some heart disease risk factors, which will help them avoid the problems of gestational diabetes. All of these advantages result from avocados' high fiber and healthy fat content. Additionally, avocados' healthy fats work to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, protecting heart health in particular and enhancing the health of expectant moms. You should talk to your doctor about the foods you want to include in your diet while you are expecting, because they are the one who knows what your body needs. Every pregnancy is different. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about your circumstances if you have any questions about eating avocados while pregnant. Join our official Facebook page for more helpful information about pregnancy and motherhood journey, link is in description box below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.